welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new here, I'm Hollywood, and I have a BMW S1000RR 2020. Today's video, we are on the way to Birmingham, Alabama. Currently coming from Prattville. We got bike night at Big Number 1 Motorsports. Last time I went, I'm not gonna lie, the video didn't do too hot, but that's not why we're here, all right? Hopefully, I've gotten better with thumbnails and titles, so maybe this video will do a little bit better. So, I got Moon with me, and the Moon and Christopher Columbus with me. I don't know who the other guy is, but oh well. But hopefully, it looks like it's about to rain. Hopefully it doesn't rain, because I hate being wet on bike, for one. For two, I gotta ride back an hour back home. An hour and 20 minutes back home. So, hopefully, it will not rain. But, we're also on a quest, a little side quest. We're gonna meet up with some Instagram buddies I met on Instagram. And then we're gonna be meeting for the first time. He has a red S1000. He said he's gonna try to bring some friend with him. I don't know how many he's gonna bring with him, but we're just gonna have to see when we pull up. Good. We met up with the other guys. Got the other guy with S1K here, and we got a Ducati Monster behind me, and we're about to head there. I don't know if you guys saw it or not. If I can cycle through it real quick. Well, no, I can't. Here, we're at 20,000 miles. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna do a 20,000 mile review. Spoiler alert, yes, I know that I did not have this bike since the beginning, but I will be giving my 1 year review, and that'll be like my 20,000 mark review. Now we'll go back to this screen. But yeah, we're on the way, heading there now. Hopefully we're not too early where it's like just so packed, or not packed, but like it's nobody there, you know what I mean? Also, it is drizzling just a little bit. Hopefully we do not get rained out. I would hate to have to go home soaking wet and they cancel the event or something like that, but luckily we got a group here, so we're gonna make the best of it. Okay, I think I'm recording. It started raining on us a little bit. It's still sprinkling. Hopefully it doesn't start like torrential downpouring. Yeah, so you good? You good? Okay, I guess he's not good. There's people already here. Make sure we don't have to get cream coming in here. I had to make sure I was recording. My phone's on 24%. Cooked.
Buckets. Now we're gonna separate a little bit. We're gonna go back to this goal.
Come on now, you gotta make it.
You go, OG. Woo! Try one more time. One more time. He gets one more.
I can make the rules.
I'll put you in
It hits the ground. I had to let it go.
Next time, my man.
Nice and smooth. Oh, damn. All right, come on.
Nice and smooth.
No pressure, no pressure.
There it is.
Oh!
Yes, sir.
Jealous?
No, I do want to ride with him though.
Yeah, I guess.
No, you ain't out yet. You ain't out yet.
He said to the altitude of 4.
What? Who's second?
Oh!
36.
Oh!
He's got it.
Hey, what are we eating? What are we eating?
I don't know.
Who's picking? Anyways, that's the end of the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Christopher Columbus, moon, face reveal. I don't even know how this footage is going to turn out. I just changed my settings. Oh, rolling burnout, rolling burnout. Okay then. Yeah, hopefully next time there'll be a little bit more activities to do. The HD was crazy. I thought it was cool, but homie pulled up and proved me wrong. So, but anyways, catch you guys on the next video. Why is he leaving? Oh shit! Oh boy! God, oh! I've never revved my bike like that before. Oh, my ears are ringing. I thought it would have shot flames. I'm a little disappointed too.